Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. This year the section was a little bit on the difficult side, and this particular question is a testament to the same as well. So I've said that, let's focus on the question. Let AB and BA be two-digit numbers where A and B are distinct digits from 0 to 9. Okay. The difference of AB and BA is HCF of AB and BA. Okay, then what is the difference? What is the value of A plus B? Okay, so let's take a look. We have a number AB. So basically, I'm writing 10A plus B. This is AB, and we have another number BA. So that is 10B plus A. And now we have the difference between AB and BA is HCF of AB and AB. So therefore, 10A plus B minus 10B minus A can be written as 9A minus B, 9A minus 9B, or 9A minus B. So it is given that it is equal to HCF of AB and BA. Okay, HCF of AB and BA. So HCF AB comma BA. Okay, now we know that in this regards that the difference in this regards is a multiple of 9. It's of 9k. So therefore this HCF, okay, this HCF will also be a multiple of 9, that is 9k, for them to be equal, because 9 has to cancel out. So now in all of the digits, let us take the number, say 45 and 54. Okay, we are only be okay. Let me give you why we are drawn out to this number. We will be taking all the multiples of 9. Okay, so all the multiples of 9 being, we will take 9. Okay, 09, we have 90. Okay, and then subsequently what we have is, we have 18, 81. Okay, we have 27, 72, we have 36, 63, we have 45, 54. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, this 5 pairs. Now try and take a look. So difference between them is of 81. Okay, so is 81, so this 81 has to be the HCF between these two. That is not possible, so this value gets cancelled out. Again, difference between them is very much greater. Suppose if I talk about 18 and 81, the difference between them is of 72. Okay, 70, no, not 72, it is of 63. So if I talk about 63, so again 63 cannot be the HCF in this regards, again gone. Similarly, this also gets cancelled out and this also gets cancelled out. But now let us consider the case of 45 and 43. So 54. So 54 minus 45, it gives out 9. And now if I take both the numbers 50, 45 and 54, their HCF is again 9. So the condition satisfied. So therefore our numbers will be 45 and 54. So therefore A can be 4 or 5, or B can be 4 or 5. So therefore A plus B will be 9. Okay, this will be our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you, as in the approach and everything involved. So if you have any doubt, kindly go through the same. This should really be any difficult for you, and just keep the video in reference in case you're solving. So that should give you plenty of insights regarding the approach and everything. Okay, now having said that, if you're looking for any kind of detailed solution of the entire paper, or if you're looking for any kind of guidance with respect to your competitive exam preparation for any examination for that matter, or if you just want some help regarding any subject, any chapter, or any concepts on which you feel the requirement of our expertise in terms of explanation, feel free to connect with us in all these lines, and we'll be more than happy to help you out in all these regards. Okay, so having said that, in case you like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. So with that, we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all this, I'm signing off. Thank you so much.